Massive cargo trucks deliver cocoa beans to this billion-dollar facility. Beans are unloaded, scanned, tagged, and stored. Every batch is digitally tracked. Production begins only after approval. Samples are analyzed for moisture, fat content, and contamination. Spectrometers and digital systems verify precision. Only certified cocoa moves forward. Beans are cleaned, sorted, and filtered. Optical scanners remove defects. Everything is calibrated for consistency. Inside giant roasters, beans are heated under strict temperature control. Flavor compounds develop. Aroma intensifies. This is where chocolate's taste is created. Shells are crushed. Air tunnels separate husks from nibs. Pure cocoa core remains. Nibs enter industrial grinding mills. Friction releases cocoa butter. Solid fragments become liquid chocolate, cocoa liquor. Sugar and milk are blended in. Refiners smooth texture to microscopic levels. Conching kneads chocolate for hours. Bitterness fades, silkiness emerges. Tempering stabilizes cocoa butter crystals. Heating and cooling cycles create shine and snap. Molds are filled at high speed. Cooling tunnels solidify the bars. Caramel and nuts are injected with precision. Enrobing curtains coat products evenly. Excess chocolate is recycled. Cameras inspect every piece. Digital scales verify weight. Metal detectors ensure safety. Defects are instantly removed. Bars are wrapped, coated, and boxed. Robotic arms stack cartons. Pallets are sealed and loaded for transport. Trucks deliver chocolate worldwide. Retail shelves are stocked daily. From cocoa bean to global supermarket, from farm to factory to empire,